The future of transportation is here. Introducing FS Volt Ride, powered by Future Speed. Ride smarter with an electric bike built for the modern world. Eco-friendly, zero emissions, better for the environment, economical, no fuel costs, and lower maintenance expenses. Quiet and smooth. Enjoy a silent ride with instant torque acceleration. Easy to charge. Just plug in at home or at charging stations. FS Volt Ride. The power of the future in every ride. For more information, call +2 37 670 3249 73 or WhatsApp +2 37 673 03 93 54. FS Volt Ride, powered by Future Speed.